Hello guys, very happy morning to one of you. And guys, now we are just going to start the mathematics again. So mostly in this entire thing we'll just be seeing a lot of get question as well as the little bit of question that has been asked in mechanical engineering, also with the chemical engineering and with physics point of view, each and every point of view we are just going to see a lot of questions based upon it. Okay, so it means it means already I just explained about the theory. Suppose if you haven't watched it, means please go and watch the theory which I just taught in the calculus. So this thing will be entirely covering upon the most of the gate question. Okay, so I think so without wasting time, let us get started. Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Rengaku. So let us get started. So what is the answer of this? So since theta tends to 0, so the answer is 1. Okay, I think so I got the point. So since it will come 0 by 0 format, we need to just differentiate once. Okay, and after differentiating we will get the required answer. So this is all the same, and you can see for this one, so x tends to 0, so tan of 0 and 0, so 0 is by 0 format. When you just differentiate tan, what is the differentiation of tan? Tan is sec square x. Okay, tan differentiation tan is sec square x. When you just put sec square x 0, it will be 1. So that's it. So next question you can see what is the thing. So put limit x is 8. So you can see here 8 is means definitely you can see. So 2 cube, so 2 will be the answer. 2 minus 2 and everything will be 0. Okay, so just differentiate 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus of 1 will be the like this. Okay, just a simple, then put the answer and we will get the required answer. That's it. Okay, so about this one you can see just differentiate 2 times of x divided by x. Okay, 2 divided by 1. Okay, so 2 will be the answer. So here you can see if sin m of theta, where m is an integer. Okay, integer, which one of the following? Okay, so what could be the answer? Yes, a good question. Okay, let us do this one. So since I just told sin of m theta, okay, so sin m theta divided by 0 theta, where m is an integer, which is one of the following. So which could be the answer? Suppose you just differentiate one times. Okay, suppose if you don't know the means, just differentiate. Sin is cos m of theta of dot m. Okay, divided by, since theta it will be 1. Okay, put 0, cos 0 is 1. Okay, so 1, so m is answer. Okay, you're asking that, it means answer this. So you can see this one, sin theta by 2. Okay, just differentiate it once. Okay, sin theta of differentiation is, what will be that? Cos theta divided by 2 into 1 by 2, so divided by 1. Okay, the answer will be cos 0 will be 1, so 1 by 2 equal to, what will be the answer? Okay, A will be the answer. Suppose you can see this one, cos theta by 2. So what is the value of cos? So you can see cos 0 divided by 2. Okay, anything divided by, it means 0 divided by anything is 0 only, so cos 0 only will be this. Okay, so that's why, so don't get confused. So for this one you can see x tends to 0, and this is, we will just zoom a little bit. I think so it's okay. Just 1 second. So this one we just make a differentiation. Here is sin 2 3x. So just one time differentiate, that's it. So cos 2 divided by 3x, x will come, and as well as with respect to 2 divided by 3 will come. Okay, just put 0 means everything cos 0 1, so 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay, that's it. So about this one you can see tan x. So simple thing. So tan x, so divided by x into x, once will come, and into 1 divided by x square minus of x. So this entire term will be become as 1. Okay, so x divided by x square minus of x divided by x square minus of x by x is, what will come? 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so suppose you can see, if we just put here example x tends to 0, you can see 1 by 0 is infinite, so infinite minus 1, so definitely this might not be the answer. So what can be the answer? X, so x square minus of x, okay. So whenever you are having confusion and if the answer doesn't come in, just differentiate. Tan 6 square x, okay, divided by 2 times of x minus of 1, okay. So while you just put inside, what will be sec 0 is 0, okay, sec square 0 is 0, and will be 2 times of 0. Wait, sec square 0 is 0 or 1? So what is sec square? So cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, okay. So since cos 0 equal to 1, you can see this is 1 equal to 1 by sec theta. So sec 0, it means sec 0 equal to 1, okay. Then sec square 0 also will be 1 only, okay. Okay, this you got the point. So here the 1 will come and each and everything will be same, okay. So just go for this question, just differentiate one time. So whenever answer we are just take differentiate top sector with respect to bottom sector differently, and we'll get the required answer. So this one I think so you can easily do it. So this thing you can see e of 2x minus 1, when you just put 0, everything will be 0. So here sin 4x, okay. Okay, so this so it's e of 2x dot 1 4x, okay. So if we just put here 0 means 0, everything will go. So differentiate one time, okay. So 2 will come to e of 2x divided by 4, okay. What will be the answer? So 1 divided by 2, okay. This thing I already explained to you, okay. You can just go for the next question. So limit x tends to 3 f of x and will be, so put 3 means everything will come 0, so differentiate once and we'll get the required answer. So this one, so just a basic thing, just differentiate once. Top one, it means f dash of x and g dash of x differently separately. So this thing same, okay, you can do it. So this one I already just explained to you. So what is e of x? E of x is 1 plus x plus x square divided plus x cube divided by 3, like that it will just go on, okay. Wait, e of x is oh la la, okay, where it is, my dear kitty, sweetie. So okay, I think so got this one. So 1 plus x square divided by 2 plus x 3 divided by 3. So like that it will just go on, okay. So you can see here everything will be 1 plus x, same, okay. 1 plus x square divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 minus 1 minus x minus x square divided by 2, so each and everything, so it will be x cube divided by 3 divided by x cube, okay. You can see what will be the answer. So mod of 3, so this one will be 2 into 3, okay. It will be 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is the answer. So just a formula, we can just keep it remember, okay. So I just tell the once again the formula. So what is the formula? It means what is the value of sin x? Sin x equal to, means since sin is a odd function, so x cube divided by mod of 3, x power 5 divided by mod of 5, x power 7 divided by mod of 7, okay. So cos is 1, okay. Since it is an even function, so we need to place 1, okay. 1 x square divided by mod of 2, x power 4 divided by mod of 4, x power 6 divided by mod of 6, okay. So just plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus, that's it. Okay, so if e of x, I just told to you, if e of minus x is given, what will be the, okay, e of minus x is, you can see here plus minus, okay, 1 x squared will be mod of 2 mod of 3 x square 4 will be, so plus minus each and everything will go on. Okay, so sin h of x, everything will be plus. Okay, so cos h of x is same plus. Okay, I think so, got the point. So but log of 1 plus x will be little bit quite different. Okay, okay, so it will be how to say, it will be opposite to this one, e power minus x. Okay, so we can just go for the next thing. So this we can just do it. So 1, so x square 1 cos x square divided by 2x power 4. Okay, maybe since it is given 1 minus, so x square, so we need to just separate. So definitely so this entire thing, let us say 1 minus cos, no it won't come. Okay, okay, so just differentiate it once. Okay, what is the difference of cos is sin. Okay, minus, because it is, so differentiation of sin is cos. Okay, cos differentiation is minus of sin. Okay, so since it is already minus, a plus will be plus sin x square into 2x. Okay, divided by 4 into 2 x power 3. So 2 will get cancelled. Guys, are we doing any kind of mistakes? No. So we can just go, so sin x square, x will cancel, divided by 4 times of x square. Okay, so this entire thing will be 1. Okay, answer is 4, 1 by 4. So this one is log of 1 plus, so simple things, differentiate 1 by 1. So you can see log of 0, so log 1 is 0, 1 by 1 plus 4 into 4 divided by 3 times of e of 3x, put 0, so here the entire thing will come 1 by 1 plus of x. Okay, so 4 divided by 3, c is the answer. Okay, that's it. So this one extends to a simple thing, differentiate it twice. Okay, u by b formula. Okay, sin supreme quote, so minus of cos x divided by 2 sin x plus x. This one what could be the answer? Just think it quickly. X of cos x, so u plus v, wait, no, it's not u. See, uv formula is different, u by v formula is different. There is no formula for u plus v. Okay, no formula. Okay, so we need to just differentiate separate. You can see here, since 2 sin x is given plus of x of cos x is given, so this is separate, this is separate. Okay, differentiate separately. So here sin is cos x, definitely 2 is there, 2 will be as it is. Okay, 2 times of cos x plus of u by v is u v dash v u dash minus of u v dash. Okay, so v is cos x dot 1 minus of u is 1 x. This one cos differentiation is minus of sin x. Okay, so minus cos x divided by 2 cos x plus cos x minus of plus of x of sin x. Okay, just put 0, it will be 1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, so 1 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3, answer will be negative. Okay, it's okay, we can just see the next question. So this one, so you can see this one is UV method. Okay, so the above one will be a little bit different. Okay, so just start to differentiate and we'll get the required answer. So wait once again, let's see whether it is being written here or not. So just differentiate, we will get the required answer. Okay. So you can see this one will be, I'll just write once again, I'll just expand 1 minus of e power minus c, this one minus e power and plus x. Okay, I think so you got the point. So divided by 1 minus x dot d. Okay, no minus will be in dot product. Okay, so why does so c times of x. Okay, dot product will be, okay, so this will be minus c 1 minus of x. Okay, so you can see this is uv method, so u dot v. Okay, so this will go and this entire thing will be uv. Okay, wow, it's a good question in my point of view. So what could be the answer? So it has been asked in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. So see, okay, see, that's not an issue, but what could be the answer? So this is the expansion method I just wrote. I'll just explain later once again. So I'll do differentiation minus e dot product of e of plus of x of c divided by x dot e minus c 1 minus of x. Okay, so uv. Okay, let us try. Okay, uv. Okay, v dash of u, sorry v dash v, sorry v, u. So while you just differentiate, since this is constant, so this is e of xe dot product, since so this differentiate means constant e power minus of c will come. Okay, so divided by this one entire thing, let us give a try. Okay, so this with respect to this. Okay, so since minus, so e power minus plus x of c dot oh wow, it's literally is going garbage, so much big. So instead of rewriting the equation, let us continue in a normal way because don't expand. So okay, so since no expansion, so it will be minus e power minus e 1 minus x e minus x. Okay, so for e power 5x, you can see this is 5 is constant, means 5 e power of x will come. Okay, so let us suppose e power c will come. Okay, minus c 1 minus of x, this is the first term. So second term is u by v formula, means e power, so this one u v, so v o e power minus c 1 minus of x u dashes, this one will be minus 1. Okay, minus of minus x, this one will be plus. Okay, let's say so I'll just read the equation here. So c e power minus c x 1 minus of x e power minus c 1 minus of x minus will be the minus of 1, so minus x uv and uv v u dash minus of uv dash, so v dash minus c e power minus c 1 minus of x, okay, so c e power minus c of x divided by minus e power minus c 1 minus of x. This will be plus, okay, x minus c here. See, simple calculation, how much time I am just taking. This is u, this is v, so u v dash, so v e power minus c 1 minus of x, so this will be minus 1, so minus of this one v minus, wait, here u will be as it is, okay, u will be minus of x, so minus c per minus c 1 minus of x, so this entire thing will be minus only, okay, so okay, c e power minus c 1 minus of x, okay, yes, so just take the minus common and you can see, so this cancel, so c divided by 1 plus of c. Wow, this was just one more question, guys. See how much time it has taken. So it's okay, we can just go on next question. So x tends to, say alpha tends to 0, and so you can see x port 0 is generally 1, okay, so alpha x alpha minus 1 divided by 1, okay. So I think so we will see this question later, okay, so you can just see the next question, okay. So this one I think so you can easily do it, okay, so not a bigger deal, so EV formula and just do the separation each and everything and you will get the required answer, okay. Okay, so sin square x, this one I think so you can easily do it, and this thing just put x, okay, so sin square 2x, so we need to differentiate differently, okay, so since it is given sin square 2 of x, okay, so 2 sin, so 2 then sin square x means you can see 2 cos square x, okay, so same, so 2 cos square 2x dot product of 2, okay. Oh, okay, we made a good mistake, right? So since this mistake is wrong, okay, sin square x is 2 sin x of cos x, okay, the same thing goes for here, so 2 sin of 2x cos of 2x into 2x, okay. Wow, see how much thing it's been complicated, okay, not complicated, just a logical sense, okay, so divided by pi square, so 2x will be, okay. square, this one is 2 times of x minus of pi by 2, this one will be 1, okay, 1 minus 0, okay, or you just make this difference in x square plus pi square divided by 4 minus of 2 x pi by 4, like that you can just differentiate, also you can just do it, okay. So this will come to it in, if you just differentiate 2 times of x, this one minus of 2 pi by 4 will come, okay. So 2x minus of pi by 2, okay, this will be the answer at the bottom one, okay. So whatever the thing cancel, just cancel and we'll get the required answer, okay. Good, interesting question this one, okay. So this differentiate will, this one is will be easy, okay, you can do it, okay. So this one also easy, you can do it. So this one, okay, so maybe D is the answer. So this one you can just see, because this thing they have asked in the gate, okay. So okay, so p equal to limit x tends to pi x square plus alpha x plus 2 times of pi square so how we can just calculate this one. So if we just, for example, if we just put pi, okay, pi, it means pi square plus alpha pi plus 2 pi square divided by pi minus of pi plus of 2 sin pi, okay. Sin, just pi is 180 degree, okay. So sin of 180 degree will be sin 90 is what, 1. So 90 is 1, so sin pi is 0, okay. So 3 pi square plus alpha of pi square, okay. Alpha pi, it will be the top portion divided by this one will be 0. So this means suppose less than 1 be 0, so definitely it won't be. So what could be the value of, they are asking the value of alpha and as well as p. Suppose let us consider alpha equal to minus 3 pi, okay. So 3 pi square minus of 3 pi whole square equal to 0 by 0 format will come, okay. So alpha equal to minus 3 pi, okay. So go and put that at the beginning itself. So putting, if when you just put alpha equal to minus 3 pi, it will come 0 by 0. So differentiate once, 2 times of x plus of x alpha divided by 1 plus of 2 times of 2 by 0, okay, 2 sin differentiation cos pi, okay. So what will be the answer, since x tends to pi, okay, this is alpha equal to minus 3 pi, 2 pi minus of 3 pi divided by 1 plus of so cos 0 is this one, cos pi by 2 is wait. Minus 1. This one will be 2 times of minus 1 will be, okay. So minus pi divided by minus 1, okay, it will be, okay. Answer is here, okay. Good question. So just a basic sense, okay. We can just go for next one, this one. So you can see so they are asking e of 5x minus of 1 divided by x, this like whole square, okay. So definitely it will be okay. If they haven't given square means it would be an easy cakewalk, but since they given the square, what could be the thing, okay. suppose we can see if we just differentiate suppose we can just put like this e power 5x minus 1 the whole square divided by x square. So two format you can just write it. Okay, this one e power this one square 5x 5 square means what will come 25 of x plus of 1 square minus of 2 times of e power 5x divided by x square. So what will be the answer? Okay, let us try. Okay, let us try. Okay, since I just inputted here. Okay. Okay, 25 e power 25x plus 1 this difference minus 10 e power 5x divided by 2 times of x. So x tends to 0, so 0. Okay, what is 25 into 25? This one will be e power 25x. This one okay 0. This one will be minus 50 e power 5x divided by 2 times. So if we just put here, it means e power 0 means so 25 into 25 minus of 50 divided by 2. 25 into 25 will be, it will go somewhere 5 2 12 0 1 4 5. So 5 2 6 625. So 625 minus of 50 575 divided by 2. Okay, then our question is wrong. Okay, so just a basic sense equation. What they have just did is so e power 5x minus of 1. Yeah, but anyways like this also if we did means answer should come. Okay, so maybe wait so e power 10x only will come plus 1 minus of 2 power e power 5x divided by x square. So 10 e power 10x minus 10 e power 5x 2x. So 100 minus of 50 divided by this one e power 10x, this one e power 5x divided by 2. So answer will be 50 divided by 2. Simple mistake. I just thought e power 5x the whole square means e power 25x like that I just thought, but the answer is it will be plus. Okay, so or we can also take like this also, limit x tends to just divide e power 5x minus of 1 divided by x the whole square. So limit x, this one is a first. Okay, again limit x tends to 0, this one limit x tends to 0, the same e power 5x minus of 1 divided by, so 2 times we are just writing it, that's it. Okay, so I think so you can easily do this one, so not a bigger case scenario, just differentiate it, that's it. Okay, so see like this, if it is given, it's a simple solution. Okay, it means simple step also you can just do. So what is x cube? So you can see if x is 0.0001 means you can see x square is so much and x cube is so much is going, so generally neglect this one, x cube neglect and put minus sign of x divided by x. Okay, so what will be that? The sin x divided by x will be 1. Okay, so minus 1, that's it. It's like a simple thing. Okay, so this thing just take x cube outside, or you just differentiate and we can just easily do it. Okay, or if x tends to 0 and the x square means if x tends to 0.0001 and x square like that also, we can just neglect this entire cube, x cube and x square like that also we can just move, and answer will be minus 1 by 7. That's it. Okay, so this one you can see tan x, what is the tan, where is that book? Tan pi by 2 is infinite. So you can see infinite divided by pi by 2, so definitely L Hospital's rule can't be applied. Okay, So different, suppose for example, because L hospital rules machine 0 by 0 format should comes, or infinite by infinite format should comes. Okay, since while, so you can see this one. So for this L hospital can't be applied. Okay, they just ask the answer, though definitely answer to be infinite. Okay, so whatever format you put, you can definitely write it. Okay, so answer is infinite. Okay, so you might have any kind of question also. So I just even asked to ChatGPT, and what answer it tells, you can just see it. Okay, ChatGPT. Oh my god. So let's ask to Grok. Generate video building. See, I just upload and I just explain the question. So let us see. So until that, we can just go for next question, I think so. Oh. Okay, I'll just read the question. Okay, so the limit explain, we need to, instead of behavior. Okay, so tangent function tan x equal to sin x of cos x. Okay, as vertical, so x equal to pi by 2. So as x approaches pi by 2 from left, okay, cos approaches to 0 to the, see what's the thing is, whenever you just put sin pi, it goes to 1. Okay, it approaches to 0, but when you approach cos pi by 2, it goes to 1. Okay, simple equation only. So it means equation is going independent. So you can see like this is that sine goes towards the 1. This is 1 means sine goes to like this. Okay, but when you just apply the cos goes to the 0. Okay, so like this is going. Okay, so what is the 1 by 0 will be infinite. Okay, so you can see that's why it is going to infinite, plus infinite. So cos approaches 0 from the negative side, and sine approaches to 1. Okay, make the sine is minus also. So absolute value of tan will be positive. So positive on both sides. So regardless of the direction, what will be the answer will be pi. Okay, it means infinite. Okay, so we can just go for the next one. So this one. So given limit limit n root of n square plus of n. So always make this in a simplified version. Okay, so let us see n, maybe you can see n divided by root of n square plus of n. Okay, where is my red pen? Take n square outside. So n by root of this one, n square outside means n square 1 plus of 1 by n. Okay, so if we just take a n outside, what will be n divided by n root of 1 plus of 1 by n. Okay, n will cancel. So 1 divided by root of 1 plus of 1 by n. Okay, n tends to infinite. Okay, so you can see 1 by infinite tends to 0, so answer will be 1. Okay, simple. Or you can just use one approach. The second approach will be make this n down. Okay, 1 divided by n, it means 1 by n will come root of n square, n square plus of n. Make it inside means n root of n square divided by n square plus n divided by n square. So this will be 1 and this will be 1 by n. Okay, that's it, same. Okay, so what could be the answer? So 2 times of x minus of 5 divided by 8 times of x plus of 2 infinite only. So 2 divided by 8. So answer is C. Okay, so or, so it means or. So what is the method? So see the highest order x square. So x square minus of 5x plus of 4 divided by x square divided by this one 4x square plus of 2 times of x. What is highest order? X square. Okay, so now means 1 by 5 divided by x plus 4 divided by x square, okay, divided by so 4 plus 2 by x, okay. So what will be the thing? So x is infinite, so the 0 0, so this one, okay. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Let us try. So x cube minus of cos x divided by x square plus of sin x the whole square, okay. Just one time differentiate it, okay. So let us suppose 3x square cos differentiation is computer science minus of sin, okay, plus sin x, okay. What is same 2x plus of 2 sin x of cos x. Oh, in my point of view I think so the answer will be 0, okay. So 6x, so definitely sin, see simple thing, sin infinite is what? 0 will be the answer. So 0 by this one infinite, so 0 by 0 infinite also 0 only. So maybe answer will be B. But where is that thing? So we can see this question. So அடேங்கப்பா how, let us see, because I just said the answer is 0, okay. This involves, okay, x cube goes up rapidly, so becomes a cubic, okay. So it does not contribute to significant of growth, okay. So the numerator is denominated by x cube. So x square goes to x is, okay. Sin actually between 0 and sin tangent between -1, okay. Squaring it is non-negative, okay. Such both since both the numerator and denominator grows by infinite, so this is to solve this we need to divide the numerator and denominator by the highest power of x in the denominator, which is x square, okay. Then just wait 1 second. Oh, like this they have just taken, okay. can see, so cos 2x of x square like that. So this one sin 2x, oh again cos 2, okay, like this, okay, infinite, okay. So or if we can't do it means you can see, so take the highest value of denominator and divide, okay. So what is highest value of denominator? Is x square, okay. So you can see x cube minus of cos x divided by x square. So the divided by x square plus of sin x divided by x square, okay. So x minus of cos x, cos infinite will be 0. This one will be infinite, and this one will be 1 plus of sin. So this entire term will be sin 0, sin infinite 0. So answer will be infinite, okay. Okay, that's a good question, okay. So guys, that's it for this video, and let me see the next video, and until then have a good day. Tata, bye bye.